Today I'm using power tools in a DIY, and it's part of a monthly collab that I'll tell you more about in a moment. This monthly collab is called Power Up, because girls can use power tools too. It's hosted by Sarah of Can Sarah DIY It and Zana from OK at Home DIY. Links for their channels in this playlist are below in the descriptions, along with some instructions on how you could enter a Amazon gift card giveaway. The first power tool I'm using is this miter saw. Some people call them chop saws. And I'm just cutting up some pieces of this king-size bed rail that I picked up for $1 at a thrift store. Here I'm removing the screws from the two long pieces that I had cut. Then I will remove the screws from the short pieces as well, but I have a little something different that I'm going to do here. By the way, how do you like my drill? I'm going to use this tool. I don't know what it's called. It's kind of like a large dremel. And I'm going to zip just a part of the way down between that wood block and the little extra piece that's on the side there. And then once I had done that, just a few taps with a hammer and boom, it's gone. Now I'll change out the head on this and put on a sanding block. And then I'll just go all over those edges, making sure I don't have any little splinters hanging out. So, here's my problem that I have today. I only found a few drill bits that fit my drill. One's too small, the other two too large. So I go to Walmart to buy more drill bits, and none of them fit. So I'm going to have to improvise a little bit here from what I had intended to do. And I'm going to put it together with some wood glue and Gorilla Glue, hot glue sticks. I just prop some books on each end, let that dry, the two short pieces on there first. While that's drying a bit, I'm going to work on this front piece, and I don't have a hole cutter for my driver, so I'm just going to take that largest drill bit that I could fit in my drill, and I'm going to make a bunch of holes in a grouping like so, until I've got an opening large enough to put that little glass doorknob on. I know it looks monstrous right now, but I'm going to fix it. You'll see. Using Gorilla hot glue sticks. Why can't I talk today? I'm going to go around the top here. Just a little line around. And then once that cools off, I'm going to flip it over and pretty much fill in the whole crevice there on the back. Promise you, you're not going to see it. Now using some lightweight spackle, I'm going to fill in some of these holes on the side that was pre-drilled for the bed rail, and go along some of those joints that aren't exactly smooth. For the bottom side, I'm going to use these wood planks from Dollar Tree. They were just a perfect fit. Now using Gorilla Glue again, because yeah, I had a screw in these legs that I wanted to put on. So I just removed those and glued one leg on each corner. Now I put a coat of white Waverly chalk paint on this, but hid the boo-boos by using my low temp glue gun and attaching some of this textured wallpaper that I had. And then I went around some of those edges and kind of distressed just a little bit here and there. And that is how it turned out. So glad I didn't give up on it because I love this. Maybe my most favorite DIY ever. I'm not sure what you would call this. Is it a riser? Kind of a drawer with legs on it. But it can be multi-purpose and multi-seasonal since I kept it white. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and good luck with the Amazon gift card giveaway. Thank you to Sarah and Zana for hosting, and until next time, bye-bye.